For many folks is, do I go with the fixed or do I go with the variable?
Fixed, because we've had a lot of trouble with variable.
We have, but
and
you know,
fixed are so low right now
right.
that you're taking an awful lot more risk for potentially things going up. I mean, rates are very, very low, but with the amount of deficits we've got, I don't think rates are going to last this long. So if you're a variable, chances are it's going to go up. This is where people got into trouble, Becky, was all these people getting into variable loans at low rates. Rates went up and they lost their homes.
But if you know your timeline, let's say you know you're going to be in and out in 3 years, then it makes more sense to...
It does, but people said this 3 years ago, and then they can't get out in 3 years.
Right.
So you never know exactly. You might have a plan, but it might not always work out that way. So here's the mortgage that I have myself, which has helped a lot of people, which is called the automatic rate cut mortgage, or ARC
Yeah,
loan.
we have some information on that in a
and
graphic.
So what this has, if it's a fixed rate, it's not a variable rate. The ARC loan stands for Automatic Rate Cut Mortgage. Their website, arcloan.com. Their phone number, 800-ARC-LOAN. And the way it works is this. You get the current rate to start off with, which is whatever, 5% or thereabouts today, depending on your credit. If rates fall a quarter point or more in 6 months, it automatically goes down. If rates rise, it doesn't affect you. Only goes down, not up. That's better. Most mortgages are going up, not down. Not my personal case. I started in 2001, 9 years ago, at 7 3/4. It has come down 7 times and is now at 4.5, and it'll never go up from there.
People wonder how that's possible. I mean, is that company just making its money when interest rates are higher? Or
No, they're at the current market rate, but they hold on to customers forever. They refinance for you, so there's no reason to go anywhere else, right? So they get mortgage servicing fees every time they collect a mortgage payment. So their view is, let's hold on to people forever. And by the way, when rates go down, the maturity doesn't change. So in my case, for example...
you don't start over again.
Correct. But that's the problem with refinancing, is that people are starting another 30-year clock all over again, right?
Absolutely, not to mention all the fees and
by the way, each time it goes down, there's no fees and closing costs every time it goes down. So this is a good thing. A lot of people don't know about. arcloan.com can help you in that circumstance. So that's a good solution.